In this video, I'll show you how to use Wi-Fi 6 as well as Bluetooth 5.2 on your Huawei MatePad 11.5. Wi-Fi 6 allows you for higher bandwidth speeds, which results in higher speeds of the internet. And if you want to use it, you should go to the settings and then go to Wi-Fi. And now it works by default. Now, how to know whether a network you're trying to connect to supports Wi-Fi 6? It is going to have this little 6 in the top left corner of the Wi-Fi icon. I hope you can see it right now. One of my networks has little 6 here at the top. So when I connect to it, it's gonna have what I want. Okay, so let's go to that network. I'll need to enter its password because I haven't connected to it. Oh, my keyboard doesn't show. Oh, because I have a Bluetooth keyboard connected. I'll try entering with a pen. Okay, it won't work. I got it. Let's do the keyboard. And now I'm connected to Wi-Fi 6. And you can see in the top here, in the top right corner, it actually displayed that Wi-Fi 6. Let's reconnect to it because it disconnected. I understand it. I have a low connection, but yeah, if I were closer to the router, then it'll probably stay connected. Now for Bluetooth, you will need an accessory that supports that Bluetooth module. So I have Redmi Buds 4 Pro here, and they support Bluetooth 5.3. So even better. And Bluetooth is backwards compatible, so they are gonna work properly. I'll put them in pairing mode. I honestly don't remember how to put those in pairing mode, so I'll just wait. Let's see if they show up or not. I have no idea whether these are the correct ones. Try seeing. There's no MAC address here, so maybe I'll need to take them out. And press and hold. Okay, yeah, they are on now. Okay, I need to put them in pairing mode. Pair. And now you can see I have them connected. So they are in the 5.3. And there's LDAC playback quality. So LDAC supported here. And everything else, so you can see it all works. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.